Are you laughing? See, are you laughing? Oh. Do it again. Laugh again.
Man, but him hardly check for you. You know, sister, him not deserve you. Baby, try my love. Girl, won't you try my love?
Try my love. Give me Aisha. So, guys. Wait, baby. Wait, Aisha. Yeah, rush. Sit down, Mama Jenna. Hurry, go on out of the comment your thing. So, guys, today we are doing a keeping a baby for 24 hours vlog. Listen, half of the day done gone already, and we need remember. Baby sleep already.
But, Mommy, what about your baby's gonna get sad?
Huh?
Yeah, baby will get sad.
He not get sad. No ban it. So we don't remember what I feel like for take care of baby. So we are gonna experiment. Aisha just want to rush. Wait, alright. Alright. Wait, go for him drip. Go for the sound to put on his neck to feed him. Alright, him not really want that. Give me the buckle. What's here?
Baby only.
So Ariel love the baby and she obsessed with the baby. Come on, baby.
Ariel, don't go in there.
So the baby is drinking his bottle. Hold it, baby. Ariel, leave the baby. Ariel, move yourself now. Aisha, where you are to move yourself.
He's drinking his milk.
Yeah, make him drink him milk in peace. Hey, girl, Ariel, move now.
Move, he's not drinking milk.
Mm-hmm. As him eats, him doodle. Why baby stay so? As them eat them doodle. I don't style that man. As them eat them shit, brother. I took up that copy car. A cover job. Thank you. So guys, one thing I like with the baby are quiet, you see, man. He not get no talking.
I will put her down.
You see, lying and drink off him food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my baby, so that's why. Good girl.
Good boy, he's a boy. You're a boy. Come.
Right there, you a boy? Come, let me feed you.
You can't feed him, you know. I don't want you kill him, you know. Holy good. And them something I go on when the baby come.
Yeah.
Holy good.
That's what the baby's gonna want. Why am I feeding a baby and I'm not their mother?
Huh?
How am I feeding a baby and I'm not their mother? I'm with my mother, see? But this is Auntie Kitty. But this is Auntie Kitty's daughter.
Son! It's a boy. You keep saying daughter. He's a boy.
Oh, you always say daughter when I was a baby.
Because you are a girl. But he's a boy.
You always say that when I was a baby.
Because you are a girl.
Guys, look at my hair.
You might laugh, you know?
My favorite
You
hair.
might laugh. Ariel, move yourself, Ariel. Everybody wants a piece of the baby, man.
I put her on grown. No. One more time, make sure don't show baby.
Let me see. So guys, the trick about this baby is The trick about this baby is, as this baby eats, you have to stuck him soda in her mouth.
And he always
Or else he's gonna cry.
He always poop in your face.
Yeah, he puked one time today.
Yeah, he pooped in my mother's butt.
Move on me.
What?
Move! Mind your bugs, the baby, you know. Baby belly full or what? Come on, baby belly full, baby. You can't look at me if your belly full, miss. Come, baby. Where you move that from? Maybe have a warm time with Aisha, you know. Lift baby, no, brother.
Can I feed him?
No. Let go him back.
Doing something.
I really want to see the baby have a drink after a whole bottle of feed you do.
Yeah. Guys, I'm very cold. That's why I put on this. What's wrong? I was cold. My head's sticking out. The baby's gonna need me.
Alright, you look like your belly full. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Where?
Move down.
Yeah. If I could.
Move down, take up in toilet so I can burp you, baby. Yo, hey, yeah, man. Yo. Mr. Tap. Expose a liquor save. That must for me lick you down with something.
Where? It's fine too.
Oh, my. Give me baby towel.
Come, Baba. Drink your milk when you burp.
I'm a laugh too, you know. You go like you know all things them something. And just spend on the head. You're too fast. Burp if you burp. Burp.
Burp. And then drink your milk.
Burp if you burp.
I don't need some milk.
Oh, yeah, you go.
Drink your milk. Burp.
You might try to stand up on your foot. You can't drink milk and burp. You don't want no more. Move to make me stop now. Oh, you burp. Only no want no more food kind burp.
Oh.
Belly full.
When I'm ready, Pete. I'm gonna go get you. When I'm ready, Pete, I'm gonna get you. Now put your panty dress on. Mommy, you don't want that the baby I go with you. Mommy, if you don't want that the baby I'll go with you.
You really want a big smile, eh? Are you laughing? Are you laughing? Oh. Do it again. Do it again, laugh again.
You know. I love you.
Laugh again. Ideal done, baby. Ideal done. You know what? Ideal done. Come make him laugh again. Come. Do it again. What you do? Do it again. Yeah, hiccup. Do it again. Do it again. What sweet is that? Ariel, leave it, baby.
I love you, baby.
Alright, what I say for them, baby, I hiccup again. Oh.
Mommy, the baby, I
What sweet is that?
love. Just a tickle him on that. She laugh when you eat it. Baba. You have to push me. Why am I that?
Because he's hicking up. Stop him from hiccup. Take up down.
Let's cover him. Let's cover him right here.
But in belt, so why is he hicking up? Guys, please leave me some comments on what do I do when the baby is hicking up.
Oh!
Another thing, if you guys want more videos with me keeping babies for 24 hours, request them. Because listen, we need practice. Because right now, I don't know why the baby is hiccup. Aisha, come make him laugh again. Come. You love Aisha, sir? What again? But you not touch him, just do the face thing like that. See? You like that. Do it again. Come on, the camera.
You tickle him.
I'm tickling today now. I shall take your head out of the camera. Stay this way and play with the baby. You might look on Ariel. See me now. See me now. In beginner guys, I'm just 4 months or not lie. I'm about 5 to 6 months I think. And Ariel just obsessed with him. Remember Ariel come and try to lick him off or something. But the hiccup now stop me blowing her face and see. Come. You love that? I need to drink some water. It's sweet. What's sweet into? What sweet into? What sweet into? What sweet into? Ariel, love baby. I said you're gonna do my baby, you know? You just be going off on my baby, on the baby. You want my baby. Leave the baby alone, man. He's smiling with you guys. I think he likes you guys. Do you guys know this baby? This baby is from a long... Whoa, my baby. This baby is from a long time vlog, you know, that I vlogged some time ago. And I told you guys I went to the hospital. This is him. He got big. No, go put on that.
Come on, baby. Drink your feeding.
Baby, no one I'm feeding. What's that on your mouth? Let's clean it out. Watch out. Yeah, brrr. Alright, come. Brrr. 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 As Aisha called me, start laugh. Take out of my mouth. Ouch, you crying. You love you, bro.
Just look at me, everyone. Just look at me, look at me.
Yeah, I do. What do you? You make it drop weight there. No, it can't go so big. Come. Baby, tap no baby. Yeah. You dip on your forehead now. Done. You want your soda? You know. Tita. Sorry. Stop. Oh my God. Here you go. There you go. Oh my. Baby, you keep a drop it out. What do you? Your hat? Alright guys, so I guess that's it for this video because as I told him, sleep already, him poo already, like all the things that I was supposed to vlog, I didn't get to catch those because he did them already and I forgot to do the video earlier. So yeah, love you guys. Do shit.
Serve you, baby. Try